Isa. Ready?
This is a story about a boy who cried wolf. Once upon a time, it was a shepherd who protected the sheep from the hungry wolves. In one day, he was so bored.
I'm very bored. I'm very, very bored.
You're bored? Don't play with us.
I want to play with us, but I want much more to play with my friends.
I have an idea.
What idea?
Go to your father and say wolves are coming.
Yeah, yes, that's a very good idea. Wolves! Wolves are coming!
Oh no, the sheep!
The sheep.
Let's go.
Let's take the guns.
Where are the wolves?
They were just there, but I think that there is just a shadow. They'll go back to the village,
After they go up in the village, the shepherd laughed a lot. That was so funny. He tried again.
Wolves! Wolves! Wolves
no,
are
the
coming!
sheep!
Wolves are coming!
Let's take the guns.
Wolves are coming!
Where are the wolves?
The wolves were there, but they are running in the forest. I see, but I think that it's just a shadow. That's what I think. Go back in the village.
The third time, the wolves came in real life.
I want the big one. Wolves! Wolves are coming!
the
Wolves are coming! Help! The wolves are coming!
Yeah, the
Help! Help! Sheep! My sheep! The moral of the story.
After you lie, no one will believe you when you will say the truth.